At our new campus in King of Prussia, the American College of Financial Services recently hosted alumni and friends to celebrate the 2019 Alumni Hall of Fame recipient, Joel Shapiro. Prior to the award presentation, Professor Phil Cubetta shared an informative financial planning case study for CE credit, and many attendees took advantage of the professional portraits offered by the college in our fantastic new production studio.
Great night, great turnout, fun event. I'd encourage alumni in the future to get out to this event. Just an incredible night.
It was awesome. To be honored by the college. In June of 1965, I received a letter that changed my life and my career. The letter from the American College said that I had successfully completed all requirements needed, and now I could use the CLU designation after my name. As I've told some of you, it was like I went into a telephone booth. We had them in 1965. Undressed and came out as Superman, the insurance man.
Being here to hear the speech from Joel tonight, for me, it reminded me of the time when I did get my designation. And you initially get that. It's the knowledge, but it's the confidence that it brings you. And I think being around other alumni kind of brings you back to that moment, right? But you don't realize how that moment could be passing other people by who aren't engaged necessarily in the college. So, the alumni really getting the word out to the newer advisors in the industry, a huge opportunity for that. That's probably the way I'd say the alumni can give back to the college the most.
These people have to realize what the college did for them and what they in turn were able to do for their customers. And we need help. We cannot do the programs and continue to educate without more financial support. There are various ways to help the college. It's very important. Our alumni, there's strength in numbers.
Money and resources are great, but just in serving with the alumni board in the last 6 years, time. Just kind of giving of time and giving of it locally, whether that's the institution that you're a part of, really with the new advisors coming in, making them aware of the college and really getting back to what the college meant to you when you got your designation.